Hello, thank you for watching Tech Empire. In this headphone review we are going to talk about Corsair Void Pro headset. The Corsair Void Pro comes in a number of different models. First one, Void Pro RGB wireless. Yes, it's our review headset today. And second one, Void Pro USB. Void Pro RGB wireless, mainly designed for Windows PC users. It comes in black or white. It has built-in Dolby Headphone 7.1 surround support, and requires Corsair's Q software for full functionality. Market price of this headphone around $100. The Void Pro USB replicates the functionality of wireless version, but it has only USB connectivity. Its market price around $79. For update price please check out the description box. So, for unbiased review let's get started with the video. Let's move on to design and features. This headset built mainly from plastic and it feels fairly lightweight. Void Pro available in a number of color options, with choices varying between models. The top section of the Void Pro consists of a thick, matte plastic headband that's expandable to accommodate larger sized heads. There's plenty of padding, with the thick memory foam covered with a soft touch fabric. The ear cups can also be rotated 90 degrees. The plastic sides are home to a backlit Corsair logo, which can be illuminated with RGB lighting if desired. The controls come in the form of two buttons and a dial, allowing the user to adjust volume, change EQ profiles and mute the microphone. The wireless model also has a micro USB for charging. The headset offers a maximum range of 40 feet, a range that far exceeds any other headset I've tested to date. In fact, I was able to walk to the other side of the house and still achieve a strong signal. Let's move on. Sound quality. Sound quality is the most important factor when it comes to headsets, and in this respect the Corsair Void Pro RGB doesn't disappoint, especially considering its price and the fact that it's a wireless headset aimed primarily at gamers. It offers great sound across both games and music. The bass level is a little low for my liking, but this is easily adjusted with software. For $100, it's the best way to listen to music, and don't expect headphones will provide a better sound. But I've certainly enjoyed listening to hours of title playlists through the headset. As a gaming-oriented product, you won't be surprised to discover that the Void Pro RGB handles games rather well. From battery life perspective, battery life was good. Expect to get 16 hours or so of battery life with the lights off, and only about 5 hours with the lights on, depending on your customization settings. There's an auto shutdown feature that turns the Corsair Void Pro RGB off when not in use. We rarely found ourselves unable to use the headset due to a dead battery. You just have to remember to plug it into the USB. Let's talk about the Corsair Void Pro RGB software. Adjustments to the EQ and RGB lighting can be made via the company's Q software. As always, it's easy to use and offers plenty of options. You can adjust the levels of the microphone, and even enable real-time audio monitoring. There are lighting effects aplenty, but be wary that they will reduce the battery life more quickly. From microphone perspective, on the left hand consists a mic arm that can be lowered and raised to turn the mic on and off. It's a nice touch, as putting the arm into the up position mutes the microphone. The headset also alerts you via sound when the mic is raised and lowered, so you're aware of when the mic is on or off. The mic can also be adjusted slightly by bending the arm, so you can fine-tune its position for optimum recording quality. The mic frequency response 100 Hz to 10 kHz. It's conclusion time. Overall, we were very impressed with the Corsair Void Pro RGB. It offered very good sound quality for games and movies, and the virtual surround sound was well implemented. If you're a committed gamer, with a number of Corsair products already sitting on your desk, you'll be very pleased with the Corsair Void Pro RGB, especially considering its relatively low price compared to other gaming headsets. So guys, hope you enjoyed this review. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and then subscribe my channel. See you next time only on Tech Empire.